What up, y'all? It's Ju, the other face of TCO. But Texas Chainsaw, get lit. Hopefully, shit, we can actually get away from this nigga. He fast as hell.
Alright. Give me this. Oh, this bitch ass nigga. I'm good.
I'm all the way upstairs. Who's upstairs? Are you recording or are you streaming?
I'm recording right now. Next time y'all see me, I might be. You feel me?
Next time you see me, I'ma have a body under my belt.
Don't nobody make a sound.
I need to raise my stealth some more. I see that's not high enough.
I'm locked in, y'all.
You not people. Now you just talking.
Cause I'm locked in, man. What you hating on me for?
Cause you's a bum.
Y'all see how people be hating already? I just want to see people shine, man.
You gonna see me shine.
Y'all see dude here? I ain't never seen that before. I ain't never spawned in here.
Okay, so that's what that is. Okay, if I call through here, somebody open this. Oh, Leatherface was right here. He opened it. Y'all good?
I'm all good.
Oh, your black ass came from nowhere, boy.
Yeah, what up, boy?
Well, y'all in the tunnels?
I don't know where we at. I ain't gonna lie. I'm looking for
we in the basement store.
I just left Jay. We can't be together for too long. I'm looking for the fucking lockpick.
What the fuck is that?
What's what?
You good? Oh, wait! Time out!
Oh! He right here! We go!
Where are y'all?
Oh, you right here! Oh.
Where are y'all?
Told you we the best victims out here.
Alright, bet we go, Jay, we go! Open this, I'm open this, I'm gone. Fuck he thought it was.
I'm confused, where you at?
Who's the chicken?
Jay, get in the hole, nigga!
Boy,
over here, turn around, Drew, turn around!
He was right behind me.
Hey, come on, let's go!
Go, nigga, go!
Hey, come on!
She in front of us, what are you talking about? Go!
Where's she at?
Dude, right in front of me!
I was just in this room right here.
You running so slow, come on, keep pushing. We out.
I ain't open that door. Babe, where you go?
Man, I'm lost. I kept running straight.
What you mean?
Oh shit!
What the fuck?
I think Leatherface
That shit scared the fuck out of me.
That shit scared the hell out of me. Leland brought his ass over to you, babe.
Hey, Grandpa is screaming. I ain't hearing nothing.
Babe, you by yourself. Leland left your ass over there.
This nigga right behind me.
Hey, good luck, cuzzo.
Drew, where you go, man?
I don't know where I'm at. I'm looking for a door. Oh, I found a door.
Are you still in the basement?
Yeah, I'm still in the basement.
Oh shit.
Nah, in the I'm talking about in the tunnels. Drew.
I think I'm in Leatherface room. I'm right next to Leatherface room. I'm picking a lock right now.
Somebody upstairs.
I'm in the basement storage. If y'all can get to me, I'm picking a lock. It's like right next to his room.
He coming, Drew. Drew, he coming. I heard his ass.
Oh,
right here.
There go Jay, I'm behind you, folks. Alright?
Yeah, I'm looking for him.
I'm right here. Come on, we out. I got the door open. We can go right now.
I'm waiting to let everybody get here. Babe, where you at?
I'm right here.
You
at
here?
the door.
At the door?
Oh,
everybody, here we go.
We go.
Oh, somebody right there.
Oh, can we go? Oh, shit.
Oh, right here.
Oh, I'm still going.
Get going.
I'm still going. I'm still going. I'm still going. I'm still going. I'm still going. You left me. Amber.
I have to go, man.
They be your own people, fo.
I need to find some hills.
Drew, they right here.
Nigga, they on me.
Nigga, they one right here on me. I don't think he can see me. He don't see me. He don't see me. He don't see me. He don't see me. I lied. I lied. I lied. I lied. I'm lied. I lied.
I gotta turn y'all down. I gotta turn y'all down.
I'm stuck.
I see Bay outside.
I'm not. I told you I went back down.
Wait, Amber, I swear to God.
I fell. I fell down that well. Y'all all got me caught. What you mean? None of y'all wanted to fucking go through that damn door. Y'all sitting there waiting at the door and shit.
Get go. Get go. Get go. That's crazy, you.
I need some help. Do I die for you?
Nah, don't do that.
I mean, it's still inevitable, man. Jay, you came back downstairs?
I did, but I'm trapped.
What you mean you trapped? I'm in the boiler room.
I don't got no toolbox, babe. I gotta go
I got
back
a toolbox.
upstairs. This nigga still here, bro.
East Tunnel? Where the fuck is this shit at?
I'm back upstairs, man.
How you get upstairs? Never mind. The same door?
Yeah, the same door.
Amber, you're gonna die.
I don't have no heals.
I'm saying you should find something.
What the fuck you think I'm trying to do, nigga?
Oh, Jay, look to your right. Right a little bit more. Yeah, go right there.
No, I watched you die.
You watched me die?
Your body glitch.
Bro, that's not funny. You gonna watch me, you and Amber just alike.
No, nigga. I was about to die anyway.
And I was coming back for you. And next thing I know, I just see you jump in a hole.
So if you seen that I jumped in a hole, nigga, I said and I yelled it to you. I'm going downstairs.
I couldn't do nothing much more than I already did.
Well, you should have kept running and not worrying about me, because I'm finna fucking die regardless. I ain't got no fucking health.
Look for some.
Nigga, if you tell me to look for this goddamn health one more time, like I'm not sitting here, you watching me run around this shit.
Look for
Hey,
some.
man. Big players make big plays.
For real. Oh, wait. Jay, you look like that dude from Stranger Things.
Ain't no health in this bitch. At all. Kennel. Where the fuck is the south? Man, what do you mean the garden?
You know that garden in the back of the house? Like,
Amber, where I died at? Where you killed me at?
Nigga, I don't know. Nigga, I landed back in the North Tunnel.
Leatherface.
Oh, Jay, that's scary. Bro, that's scary.
Wait, I fell right down in North Tunnel. Y'all talking about it's a garden out here. Ain't no fucking garden. I'm over here trying to find a garden tunnel.
I never said there was a garden like that. I said I went through it.
Where you can climb up a ladder, right, babe? And end up in the garden.
They just keep feeding them.
At this point, I'ma die regardless, because I ain't got no fucking health.
I'm finna sneak through this bitch.
Shut your ass up, Peanut.
Hey, Drew, man. Big play, make big plays.
Yo, this nigga Jay doing some dumb ass shit.
Big player, make big plays.
I don't see the big play yet. I see you on the risk of dying. Is you about to try to stab his grandpa? Oh, wait.
I got some bones too.
Oh, Jay.
I
What
just
is he
grabbed
doing?
him too.
He trying to lock the door.
Oh, you about to feed him. Bro, why he walk like an AI, bro?
That motherfucker is down here.
Are you still downstairs, man? Oh, shit.
Yes.
Hey, Jay, Amber dead, so you
Big
better
player,
go.
make big plays. Man, I'm right next to Grandpa.
She can't do nothing. She dead, fool. Even, like, if she run, nigga, she's gonna die. Well, Jay finna die right now, too. Wait, let's see if big players make big plays.
Somebody down here.
Close that bitch right behind you.
Wait, is the teammate alive?
No.
Nah, he dead.
So it's just me and Jay for real?
Yeah.
Yeah, but Jay making big plays.
But you tell her you just went upstairs from the side garden tunnel.
Hey, I did. I just.
The door is locked.
I said it was locked. I fell down.
He not there no more, Amber.
I'm in that.
Oh shit! Wait.
Can we see me?
I don't like how he doubling back like this. Jay, I think he can smell you.
I hope he'll see me.
I feel like he see you, but he just fucking with you. I feel like he just fucking with you.
Are you upstairs?
I don't know where this nigga he at the driveway. You can see Jay. Look at Jay. Rest in peace, Jay.
What? I'm gone.
Wait, Amber, he jumping down. Jay jumping down.
I gotta recover.
He recovering right now.
Well, they know
Amber
why.
is at the side garden tunnel, and Jay is at the north tunnel.
That's tough.
And Amber is slowly but surely dying her ass off.
Bro, ain't no fucking health out here at all in this fucking game.
It's okay. Hey, Jay, come to Amber. Y'all gonna wait till Amber have a heart attack.
Man, I'm in the West Garden tunnel.
Oh, she right there to your left.
Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Can you hear me? No?
Hell no, he ain't got no heels.
It might be some heals right when we go up here.
Amber's like, look at that health. She dead as soon as she gets up.
Man, he at max health. Oh, we
I mean, at this point, I'm dead. Shit.
Y'all gonna move?
Oh. Man, it might be some help right here. Get that help. Like
Right where?
here. Like right here.
Wait.
Nigga ain't coming, bro! I don't know if y'all noticed, but they see y'all, nigga. Amber, they can see you.
Like, what am I
Amber,
supposed to
they
do?
can see you.
And at that point, yeah, I can't hide. Like,
Amber, they see you.
What the fuck am I finna do? I'm finna die regardless. Jay talked about his health. It was no health right there. Yes!
Nah, I thought everybody get their own little health joint. Like,
No! Once you take it, babe, once you take it, it ain't there no more.
I ain't know
I was
that.
gonna die regardless.
I ain't
That
know
nigga
that.
Jay, you lying him?
Nah, I took it.
He sold
Don't
me. He
don't get me
sold me.
wrong, but I thought
He
everybody get their
sold me.
little own thing, like the toolbox.
Of course. I gotta finish leveling
Sold the
this
fuck
nigga
out
up.
of me, man.
Alright,
Oh my god, I'm right
alright,
here.
watch tomorrow.
Well, I'm
No
out.
more, no noise. No noise. It's no noise when I do anything in this game on this build. Uh, yep, that's why I
This shit
chose him.
not fair, bro. Why do we get to start at his lair? He's right here.
Alright, I'm finna leave.
Can one of y'all come help me? I'm in his lair.
Man,
Oh,
I'm
that.
just not getting down.
I'm gonna go the opposite way from right there.
Oh shit!
They don't die.
Don't die that fast.
Okay, I'm in fuse box tunnel because that nigga
What's
was
all
right
that?
there.
What's all that movement back there?
I
Oh boy.
gotta pee. That shit just scared the fuck out of me.
What's all that movement back there?
Oh, I'm in
You
his
see that
lair.
movement, Shamar?
I was just in there, babe. Drew, where you at?
West Tunnel, looking for a door so I can open.
Just keep your head clear.
But I'm not finding shit, so I'm finna just go in his lair and open his lair door.
I'm in his lair right now.
Alright, man, I'm on the way.
Oh, somebody ran.
Oh, yep, somebody definitely is around.
He ran away
You
from me
know,
though.
listen for that chainsaw.
Damn,
Nigga, I don't think this nigga chainsaw's on.
I'm looking at
It's
Tommy's
not.
body.
Oh, it's not? Bet.
Yep, he just turned it
Hey.
on.
Oh, he just started. Jay.
What's
Watch
up?
my back, watch my back.
Hey, babe, we in the basement storage.
I'm stuck somewhere. I don't know where.
You said you in the fuse box room?
I was in rear basement. Hold on.
Alright, it's unlocked.
If you buy the fuse box tunnel, we right next to it.
Alright, Jay, it's unlocked.
Okay,
We just
hold on.
waiting
Wait.
on
Let me
him.
climb back over. Wait.
Yep.
Don't open the door. Please,
All
though.
right, come
Oh,
on.
okay.
Come on, we gone.
Wait. 3, 2, I need y'all to run. It's open. They not gonna see it's open either. We gone. Wait, stand still. Where Amber go?
I'm still right here.
Dude over there walking and shit.
Bet we good. Come on. Why you running? You bringing attention.
Nigga, fuck that. I'm gone. Somebody around here.
I know. That's why I'm
I'm
letting
going.
y'all.
I'm at the back with it. Who hit that? Y'all funny as hell.
No, Jay, get that.
I got the distraction, bro.
What a warrior! What a warrior!
Real nigga activity, man.
They go down.
Cause I know what I'm doing, boy.
Hey, what you doing, man?
Oh, no, I don't know what I'm doing. No, I don't. Oh, shit! Alright, we ain't gonna lose this. We Gucci. Alright. Give me this. Oh, this bitch ass nigga. I'm good.
I'm all the way upstairs. Who's upstairs? Who is upstairs? Drew, are you upstairs?
Nah, I just jumped through a fucking window.
From upstairs?
Hell yeah.
That was me that came upstairs.
Nah, that wasn't you. I'm playing. Oh, he found my footprints. Oh, he's up there. Watch, he finna show his head up there. You right,
Is somebody
you right.
upstairs?
I'm going upstairs right now.
Yeah,
I'm coming back.
Johnny.
I was in the basement.
Johnny Cage upstairs. Watch out.
All the way upstairs?
All the way.
I'm getting taken.
Drew, you gotta help him out.
I can't.
How did you escape the family house?
I opened the door. And opened another door. A window. And I jumped through the window.
That was me, babe. Hey, babe.
What's up?
I know I can't heal you.
Man, it's a lot of they finna come through here.
Okay,
They
I
was
gotta
chasing
turn
me.
this off.
What do I do?
If they right there, man, come back.
Yup, Leland just brought them over here.
They finna be mad as hell, Shamar.
Oh my god, babe, I gotta piss. I gotta pee so bad. Babe, don't! You lock that door?
Yeah.
Leland getting killed. Leland getting killed. They
Oh,
just turned
no,
the light
I didn't
off.
Damn, he get smoked. I'm gone, man.
Hey, one of y'all got a lockpick?
Nah, I don't.
Fuck. Alright, Shamar, this is the bad part. I need another lockpick.
Where you at? I'm finna get one right
Behind
now.
you.
The sunflower fields.
You in the
Oh shit,
outside?
babe, he coming, babe, he coming.
Side. Oh, somebody just jumped out the fucking window!
That's Leland.
Open doors with this.
No way this nigga bring... No way he bringing all that fucking attention over there.
I got the fuse.
Drew, how you get out? You jumped out the window?
Across
Yeah, I jumped
over
out of
there.
the window.
Damn, so you didn't unlock the door?
I did. It's unlocked.
Alright, bet. I'm gone. We going downstairs right now.
Somebody just closed it.
Stop moving.
Babe, Johnny coming
Watch
down the
out,
stairs.
watch out, watch out.
Bro, what? Fuck, I need a lockpick.
Hey, get
Fuck,
going.
we are here with it. Oh, a lockpick. Is that a lockpick? That is a lockpick. We out, Shamari.
Bet that door latch. Man, I went out that back door.
Go ahead, go
She
ahead.
chasing that nigga.
I have to pee. Babe, he coming outside. Leatherface outside, babe. Leatherface outside. I need to find some health.
Of course.
Oh, he see me. Shit.
Survival of the fittest, right?
You gone, Drew?
Go through this door, babe. Go right here, right here, right here.
I'm out this bitch. Sunflower seeds, where y'all at? Sunflower seed fields.
I'm coming around right now.
I'm not.
Babe.
Man, you need some heals or you good?
Yes, I need to
I'm
be
looking
here.
for my niggas. What are y'all at?
Sonny, let's take
Wait, who is that?
Hey, stop moving.
Oh, that is the killer.
Why would
Babe, you got caught.
Yeah, you came back over this way.
Yeah, he did. He just did a fast ass 180. He coming back. That nigga just turned around fast as hell. Y'all good in there? Should I leave?
Babe, did you go outside?
Nah,
Where you go?
I went upstairs.
Oh
Hey,
shit.
jump through that window.
Nigga, you trying to kill me.
I gotta go upstairs.
I hope the others are okay.
Fuck it. Fuck it. I can't leave my niggas behind. Even though Amber killed me. Alright, we all let with it.
Drew, you got the door open already?
Oh, this door. You want me to open this door? Okay, let me open it. I should be able to open it. Yep, it's open.
Man, you
I got the front door open. Yup.
Why you opening the front door?
The front door was open. Leatherface opened it.
I'm
Babe, if you can make it to the front door, hurry up.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Fuck all this. It's too much going on.
Oh shit. Babe, don't come through the front door. Don't come through the front door. Don't come through the front door. Oh, shit!
I'm gonna go through the back door. I'm gonna go through the back door.
Shit. My niggas,
I'm gonna go through the back door.
I'm fucking dead.
You coming through the back door?
How did he see?
Yeah, I'm finna go through the back door right now.
Come on, sunflower seeds, sunflower field, my fault.
Bro, how?
Open that gate.
Fuck, I just got caught.
Bro, why y'all wait?
Damn. Oh, there you go. Come on, come on, come on.
Where we going? Where you at?
Come on, this way, right here, yeah. Hop this bitch. Fuck the detention. Come on, hop that bitch. We out.
Get going.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the sunflower. Boy, I swear to God, that's what happened. Okay, the car graveyard.
We got. What the fuck? Who closed it?
You ain't shit.
Hey, you scared the fuck out of me. I thought they pressed the button and that bitch closed. That's funny as hell.
Is that Drew? Next time, say the back of the house, nigga.
Y'all be safe, stay dangerous. And make sure to tune in to the next one.